Hey, welcome back to the DDK CAD Technology Systems Composite Panel Builder demo series. And in this little episode, we're going to talk about the converting a architectural background, which is this is a block, and converting the panel elevation panels into smart panels that the program uses. So to get started, we have to notice first of all that the center line of the reveals is being used here. So we really want these elevation panels to offset what the system says, and that currently it's set to 1/2 inch. So we want to take that into consideration. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use this utility right here. It's convert panels. And we're going to use the offset utility. And all we've got to do is pick inside. Let's start with 400 series. You can put whatever you want. You can put a prefix and a suffix in there. You can make the panel tag as a bazillion characters long, and it's like the shorter the better. And so we go ahead, and then we'll start down here, and we're going to pick this guy first. It's 400, and then 401, and then the next one, because it matches this size, it's a duplicate panel. So parentheses indicates duplicated panels, and we're duplicating all these. Okay, now we have one panel here that's an L shape, so I had to kind of draw that in there so the program would not mistake it as one of the other panels. So this one's a 402, and then we'll go back over here, pick this one, and then we'll go across the top and just go pick, and then all of a sudden 405 is duplicated a few times. Then we've got a new panel 406 up here, and you can see how the offset is coming in, which is exactly what we want. And when you're using the boundary command in AutoCAD, you have to see the boundaried area, and here we don't, so we wouldn't pick here yet. We want to make sure we could see what we're getting. That's just AutoCAD for you. So that's how it works. Boom, boom, boom. And then we could do these two down here, a tree. Okay, that's how it works. And then let's go ahead and draw those panels. I'm going to hit return since I'm done. And then we're just going to window these panels, see what they look like when we draw them. And so we come into our draw flat panels, and then we're going to select the elevation view. Boom, here we go. And any of the panels that have been duplicated will get multiple quantities added to the sheet when it builds them. That was the last build, so it's going to delete those and start building the new ones. You can see the angled panels starting to come in, and the L-shaped panels. There we go. Because they were built on a slope, the program automatically sees the way they are and sets that. And the L was actually the opposite, so when the elevation panel is drawn, it automatically flips it on the X or the Y axis based on what your preference is. If it was a soffit panel, it would stay, we would tell it that it's a soffit panel, and it wouldn't get mirrored either direction because we're already looking at the back of the panel in the view. So that's how you use the convert panel utility for backgrounds of the architects. Okay, stay tuned for more demos. Thank you.